Bonjour everyone, Madame Blue here. Welcome back to my channel. Now this technique I kind of use and I kind of don't use. Before I knew how to properly do Microweft, threadless Microweft, I just kind of did what I thought you should do, which you can still use this technique. Sorry, I refuse to let them know that my smoke detector battery needs to be replaced, so if you hear that beeping, that's what it is. You can still use this technique, but the technique that most people use, these particular wefts, you cannot do that technique with. So I would not have been able to do that technique anyway with these bundles, but I just wanted to get an idea of how to do threadless, and you know, I used my family to practice, so I did my auntie's hair. It's so funny, I first did microwefts over a year and a half ago. Over a year and a half. That sounded weird. So I first did this like a year and a half ago, and I actually have a video on here already of me doing them. And then all of a sudden, it just became so popular. Like I did more this year than I've done in the past year and a half. So that's crazy. They're just so popular now. But I like them. I think they are very versatile. I personally would never wear them because I am natural. So unless I'm getting kinky curly hair, it just don't make sense for me. I also love this hair. It's kinky straight. It blends really well with relaxed hair or coarse, medium to coarse natural hair. So I really like kinky straight. So with this one, I'm doing the traditional technique I do, which is putting the links on first and then sewing on top of the links. And I did it this way because I'm doubling the tracks up here. And at the time when I made this video, I was not aware of a technique to double the tracks doing threadless. I've seen a technique, I haven't practiced it yet, but that's why I did it this way, because I was doubling the tracks. And I think I used only one bundle. With this particular hair, because it blends in so well, you don't have to use a lot. I used this hair on another client, and I think I used a bundle and a half on her, and she had thicker hair. But I'm pretty sure I used like one bundle. I honestly don't even know if I used a full bundle. And you guys, for some strange reason, I did not get any final pictures or videos. So this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, and make sure to like, subscribe, share, and check out my other videos.